Summer, when the air was sweet, the promises we keep. Can we go back to last summer, when I felt at ease with the ground beneath my feet? Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
They're going with 5 in midfield with a 4-5-1 setup. Finds his teammate. Towards the centre. Played wide, the defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Gray. Passed well. Lovely passing here. Really, is this a goal? And he hits it. Well taken goal. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. That's good link-up play. Oh, well intercepted. And it's with the captain. Confident pass. What a volley! There was only one outcome, really. As soon as the player shot, you knew it was heading straight in. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Finds his teammate. Well timed then, great defending. That's nicely played. It's a throw-in. That's good link-up play. Good ball. Is this a goal? Finds his teammate. Can he get a shot in? That's a crack. And that's off target. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Forward from the keeper. There's the whistle, it's half time.
Can we go back to last summer?
So, 45 minutes left of the game. Can the losing team come back from 2-0 down? Passed inside. Is this the moment? Just needing a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Well, let's take another look at that. No players gone into the book yet. Headed on. It's Son. At the striker's feet. Here's Son. He got under that a bit too much, I think. Let's take another look at that. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, well intercepted. Suarez. Played in field. Oh, defending. Gray. Their passing has been so accurate. The striker picks it up. Here's Son. Oh, and it's hit the bar. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. A quick sub lets you make changes without stopping the game. Press the tick icon to enable the substitution. Let's see what...